Hello friend, welcome back to my channel TechW3Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to insert a record and navigate to record detail page in LWC. So in the last lesson, we have created a component and we have created a record using the Apex class method. And after inserting a record, I will navigate to the record detail page in LWC component. In this lesson, we will be see how to insert a account record using Apex class method. So first we will create a LWC component, then I will create a Apex class controller, and then I will insert a account record on the click button using Apex class. So let's jump to my Visual Code. So first we will be create a component. So my component name insert account LWC, copy the name, Control Shift P, create Lightning Web Component. This is a and write the name of the file and press enter. Select default LWC and create a component. So I created a component. Now I am opening HTML, JavaScript and Meta.xml file. So in the Meta.xml file, I will use target so that I can display this component into the in the Salesforce. In the HTML, I will create a lightning card, title, insert a record, insert an account, record from Apex. Icon name, custom 21. Inside the lightning card, I will create a form, div, class, SLDS grid, SLDS wrap, SLDS clean, AR around, medium. I am using the class of lightning design system. Then I will create a div, class, SLDS, for SLDS, size 6 of 12. 6 of 12. Inside the div, I will create a lightning input. In the lightning input label, name equal to SC name and value equal to, in the curly bracket, value always pass the curly bracket. SC name, and there is a on change method. On change, pass the method name of JavaScript, handler change action. So I create one lightning input. So copy and paste account. After that, I will create a phone, account phone. So I create two input field, name and phone, to insert a record of account. Then I will create a lightning button. Class SLDS P top medium. Take a VR and here I will create a lightning input field. SLDS text align center lightning button level, submit, on click, submit action. So I will create a function to create a form, to insert a form. Now I am saving the record. Go to the JavaScript, and after that I will create a Apex class. So there are two action will be created in the JavaScript, handle there action. So in the JavaScript, in the export method, create a handler change action event if. So I will create two track variable, first for account name, second for phone. So at the rate track account name and other rate account phone. Account phone. So if you using the track variable, you must to import in the import method track. Add a track here. If event dot target dot name double equal to, there is a name attribute in the input field. There is a name attribute. So I will using this name attribute name, then store the value. This dot account name equal to event dot target dot value. Event dot target dot value. If event dot target dot name double equal to, this time I will check account home. Then this dot account home, store the value equal to event dot target dot value. Event dot target dot value. So I created a handler change action. Then I will create a submit action. Create a submit action. In the submit action, we pass the Apex method. So I will create a controller, Apex class controller. So simply I will rename this file name, copy, and will create a same name Apex class controller. Control Shift P, select create Apex class, and at the end the CTRL. Insert account LWC controller. Select default class. So I created a Apex class controller. So first add a annotation or a enable. Then create a public static void account action. The account action is the method of the method name account action, and here I will create a account create a instance ACC new account. Here pass the parameter. There are two parameters to be passed. First for name, second for phone. String AC name. Yeah, you can name str and string whole str. So I am passing the two parameter scc dot name equal to name str acc dot phone equal to phone str instead of the comma use semicolon here and insert acc. So I created apex class method. Now I am going to deploy this. Code has been deployed successfully. Now I will use this method into the JavaScript. So first, copy this method name, go to the JavaScript. First I need to import this method. So import method name from Salesforce Apex. Salesforce Apex controller name dot method name. Controller name is equal to insert account LWC controller. It is a controller name dot method name. Method name is a account action. Then copy the method name and pass here curly bracket. Here two parameter name str colon this dot pass the value account name comma phone str this dot this value. Create another one track variable track account id account record id and here then result this dot account record id equal to result dot id. I create another one track variable error message so error message will be stored in this variable. So here dot error this dot error message equal to this dot error message is not error. Error dot message and then window dot console dot log error dot this dot error. So I will get a error in the console in browser. So I created JavaScript, I created HTML. Now I'm going to deploy the code. Code has been deployed successfully. Now this code, this component will be called into the Salesforce. So this is the account. I am calling this component into the Lightning app. So I will add in the meta XML file. I need add x equal to true target and Lightning app page. So this component will expose into the Lightning app page. Deploy successfully. Go to the Salesforce. I create a custom app. This is my custom app. So I did the page. My file name is insert account LWC. Insert account LWC. This is my file. I am drag and drop here. Save. Go to back. So both of input field are touching each other. So I will give a space between both input field. So now go to the HTML. Here I will give a space. SLTS P horizontal small. Copy and use both of the input field, both same class. Deploy the code. Refresh the page. Control Shift Delete. Clear कैसे? Refresh one other. You can see between the both of input field I give a space. So if you are not taking a space between both of input field, first clear and कैसे of the browser, then refresh, then will space will be created between both of input field. So now I am creating a record of account. So take W3 wave 6 and phone number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now go to this is a submit button. So I missed the variant attribute to add in the submit button. So now I'm clicking on the submit button and go to the object. As you can see, one record has been created in Salesforce. Account name is TechW3 Wave 6 and phone number is this. So record has been created through Apex class method. So if you want to this button look like blue, so go to the VS Code and here add a variant brand, then deploy the code. And refresh the page, then you can see the button look like. So friends, if you are stuck in anything of issue to insert a record using Apex class method in LWC, please write in comment box and don't forget to check and subscribe my channel Tech W3 Way. Thank you.